Dumelang, ke a le amogela mo Losika Writes. Nna ke bidiwa Tshegofatso. Hello, welcome to Losika Writes. I am Tshegofatso, and today we are singing a wedding song. This is second episode of learning how to sing Setswana wedding songs. Just because I'm so homesick and I really just want to be at a wedding where the song is the singing and the dancing are the main event. Well, and the food and the bride. But yeah, you get what I mean. Song and dance. So in African culture, we are gifted with nice vocals. And so yeah, this is me just sharing. Don't judge the singing, just appreciate the work. Okay? So today's song, it's a very common one, and it's about basically glorifying the groom, to say this groom has taken her into their family. And watch out for those totis, those pantolas, because they were hoping to get the bride, but he got the bride. He got the bride. Come to think of it, I don't know how these songs are sung when it's a same-sex marriage, but I digress. Let us sing the song. Now I'm gonna sing the lead vocals and then come there with the bass alto, and then I'll try and explain them. Simo tsere-tsere senatla, simo tsere-tsere senatla, simo tsere-tsere senatla, ngwana o tserwe ke senatla, simo tsere-tsere senatla, simo tsere-tsere senatla, simo tsere-tsere senatla, ngwana o tserwe ke senatla. Eita mapantsola heshmoni wari, ngwana o tserwe ke senatla. Eita mapantsola heshmoni wari, ngwana o tserwe ke senatla. Simo tsere-tsere senatla, simo tsere-tsere senatla, simo tsere-tsere senatla, ngwana o tserwe ke senatla. So it's basically simo tsere senatla. You know that hunk strong man? He done swept her off her feet and took her away. And then the other bit is like, watch out for those totis. But they missed out because that guy, the hunk man, he got the bride. Yeah? And then so you're doing the dance, celebrating because that guy, the hunk, got the bride. You feel me? Hope you learned something. Remember to like, subscribe, and till next time, Josiami.